Princess.
Is it something scary?
Or is it something awesome? No matter what it is, we'll face it together.
You are so busted.
Your father and I fighted out for 2 hours and you throw a party?
When I reach the count of 3.
Wrong! The ponies are all supposed to get along, remember?
Boring.
It's like in the olden times when all 3 pony kinds were friends.
Here we go again.
And they never used their magic against each other.
You're wrong.
No, I'm not.
My mom says the Pegasi and unicorns try to eat up all the Earth ponies by zapping them with lasers and frying them to a crisp.
They wouldn't do that.
So the Earth ponies kick their butts in an epic battle, and if they ever try to come back to Maritime Bay, we'll kick their butts again.
Those are lies. Hitch, tell him.
Well, that is kind of what our teacher said in history class, but hey, we can play the game your way if you want, Sonny. I don't mind.
Well, I do. It's a boring game. Ooh, let's play Pegasus Barbecue instead.
Sprout, stop it.
Pony
I'm going to tell my dad.